Exercise 15.2, question number 18. This is the last question of this exercise. And what we have to do, we have to draw trapezium PQRS, where PQ is parallel to SR, PQ is equal to 8 centimeter, QR is equal to 6 centimeter, and RS is equal to 4 centimeter. Angle Q is equal to 60 degree. So this we have to draw. So first what we will do, same, you have to draw a rough diagram for this. Okay, P Q R S. PQ 8 centimeter is given. Angle Q is 60 degree given. Okay, now RQ is 6 centimeter given, and RS is 4 centimeter is given. Now what we have to do, we have to draw this trapezium. So first what will you do, draw 8 centimeter line. Draw 8 centimeter line, and its name will be P Q 8 centimeter. Okay, then protector. We have to take 60 degree. Okay, so 60 degree, start from here and draw a line. This one is X. Okay, now PR is given what? PR is 6 centimeter. So take a rounder, take 6 centimeter here, lock it, and cut it. Draw an arc. Okay, so this point is nothing but what? This point is R. Okay, now what we will do, we know that RS is 4 centimeter. Okay, now what will you do, we know that we have to use the property of trapezium. What is the property of trapezium? That these adjacent angles are supplementary. Okay, that means if this one angle Q is 60, so this one will be 120. So what we are going to do, 120, this one, and draw an arc, take 4 centimeter, draw an arc, and then join the lines. So you will get what? This trapezium name is PQ. This Q is 60 degree. This one is 120. Why? Because angles are supplementary. Trapezium's adjacent angles are supplementary, so this one will be 120 and this point is S. So we have completed